My name is Noah Wachuku, and this is the Technology Podcast for the online course CSI. I'm in recording arts, so I'm going to be talking about how computer hardware and software changed and affect the music industry. I'm going to begin with a little background information of the history of recording before computers and also after computers were created. Now, back in 1877, Edison made the first recording of a human voice on the first tinfoil cylinder phonograph on December 6. In 1878, Edison was granted the patent on February 19th for a phonograph using cylinders wrapped in tinfoil. In 1925, the first electrically recorded discs and orthophonic phonographs go on sale using Western Electric System developed at AT&T's Bell Labs, making it now possible to record whole orchestras and symphonies and even sound motion pictures. Recording was able to be done digitally in the early 70s. Digital audio tape in the early 80s was created also. In 1985, compact discs were created. Now this allowed artists and musicians to put out music not only on cassettes and records, but also on CDs. This changed the music industry a lot. Also in 2001, Apple Computer introduced the iPod portable music player. This now allowed people to listen to music on the go easier using MP3 formats that they could put from their computer onto the portable device. Also, Apple created the online iTunes store where people can go and download music right from their computer instead of having to go all the way to stores and purchase albums. They could do it right at home. Now sales weren't just coming from CDs too, but also from online purchases. Another thing that was created that changed the music industry was the use of MIDI, Musical Instrument Digital Interface. This was created in 1982. This enabled electronic and musical instruments such as keyboard controllers, computers, and other electronic equipment to communicate, control, and synchronize with each other. MIDI allows computers, synthesizers, MIDI controllers, sound cards, samplers, and drum machines to control one another and to exchange system data. There are many music recording softwares out there: Catwalk Sonar, Logic, Reason, Cubase, Pro Tools, Fruity Loops, and the list goes on. The most popular music recording software to this date is probably Pro Tools, and it is a digital audio workstation platform for Macs or for Windows operating systems, and it was developed and manufactured by DigiDesign. The first start of Pro Tools was in 1984, and Ricky Martin's Livin' La Vida Loca was the first album to be mixed completely within the Pro Tools environment by Charles Dye. Miami is widely believed to be the first city to broadly adopt Pro Tools in professional recording studios, and it is also referred to as the ground zero for Pro Tools. Music recording software such as Logic allows you to create software instruments to play sounds like piano, drums, different synthesizers, brass, strings, and a whole bunch of different instruments. Also different plugins for your voice like chorus, reverb, phaser, and echo.